and welcome to Hooray Bollywood. कहिए कहाँ से शुरू करूँ जनाब? मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त अमिता और मैं लाई हूँ आपके लिए another exciting show celebrating the last 100 years of Bollywood. And जी हाँ, I'll be coming live on location to talk to you and do some मस्ती on Bol Bachchan. मगर उससे पहले let's go to the lanes and by-lanes of Bollywood to figure out what our stars have been up to. Bhaag Milkha Bhaag is making big waves at the box office, and Farhan Akhtar is riding high with all the praise for his performance. His look, not to forget his 8-pack abs. पर एक recent event पर जब उनसे पूछा गया कि फिल्म में उनकी रेबेका ब्रीड्स के साथ लॉन्ग स्क्रीन किस के बाद क्या वो इमरान हाशमी का सीरियल किसर टाइटल छीनने वाले हैं, here's what he had to say.
आप पिक्चर देखने के बाद ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं?
फिल्म के बाद ही, मतलब फिल्म के अंदर ही था, इसलिए तो देखने के बाद ही आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, इसलिए आप मिले।
हाँ, तो जब आपने फिल्म देखी तो आपको नहीं लगा कि इट वाज अ वंडरफुल पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी एंड ऑफ हिज स्टोरी?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
बस तो फिर और क्या जानना है आपको?
When the questioning about the serial killer tag would not stop, then co-star Sonam Kapoor jumped in to defend him.
I think it's really unfair to sensationalize something which is done a part of a story. It was meant to take the story forward. It wasn't done to be a sensational part of the film. That's why it wasn't publicized as such. So I think it's really unfair to do that after someone's worked so hard for like 1.5 years, you know, to do a role.
Yeah, Sonam. We know that Farhan ने बहुत मेहनत की to get the right body and training for the role. But then ऐसे intense kissing scene करने के लिए भी तो मेहनत करनी पड़ती है ना? Then why make all this fuss about discussing it? और वहाँ Priyanka Chopra is on a roll with the release of a new single, Exotic, featuring Pitbull. So what does she have to say about this video?
This is, I wanted to keep this video very simple and very true to the song. It is exotic, and for me exotic is beach and fun and party. It's a party song, it's a song that you have fun to. It's not something you need to think about. Just, you know, Indians, as Indian people, we know how to have fun. You know, our Bollywood songs, we need an excuse to dance on. So this for me is that excuse for the rest of the world.
And what about the music, Priyanka?
For me it was very important that my music is a representation of who I am. And I'm very desi, I'm very Bollywood. I like the masala, I like the little tadka. So I wanted my music to have a reflection of that in some way or the other. See, this is an English album. It is catering to a global audience. It is not a Hindi album. So I wanted the balance. It's like an experiment that I've done. And I wanted the balance to be great for desis also and videshis also.
But poor PC is getting a lot of flack from the fashion police for her glittery, sparkling costumes. Apparently, वो copy कर रही है Britney Spears, Jennifer Lopez and Katy Perry के outfits को. PC लगता है कि next video में आपको अपने outfits को भी कुछ unique देसी तड़का मारना पड़ेगा, so that no one can call you a Videsi copycat again. Moving on to some other interesting news. So Star Beta film actor Pratik Babbar is going out and about town promoting his new film Isaak. He is charming and so cute, no doubt about that. But take a look at him talking about the film at a recent event.
Entertainment guaranteed, it's a word from a boy who likes to keep his word. My word, beautiful ladies. Entertainment guaranteed. Entertainment guaranteed, like I said, it's my word.
Entertainment guaranteed. It's my word.
हाँ प्रतीक समझ गए that entertainment is guaranteed, but don't you think आपको कुछ और words भी ढूंढने पड़ेंगे to describe your film? Is it time to take some lessons on public speaking? Well, one star kid who's making it real big is Sonakshi Sinha. The Dabangg girl is riding high on the success of Lutera and is now looking forward to Once Upon a Time in Mumbai again. Let's see what Dad Shatrughan Sinha had to say about his daughter.
दबंग में एक जबरदस्त स्टार बनकर उभर कर आई और जिसके लिए सलमान खान और उनके पूरे परिवार के हम आभारी हैं। और इस फिल्म से खासकर लुटेरा से एक एक्ट्रेस पार एक्सीलेंस का जन्म हुआ है। एन एक्ट्रेस पार एक्सीलेंस इन सोनाक्षी, और मैं किसी फादर के हैसियत से नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, सिर्फ एक मैच्योर सीनियर या सीजन या आप लोगों की नज़रों में एक लीजेंडरी एक्टर की हैसियत से बोल रहा हूँ कि ईस्ट और वेस्ट, सोनाक्षी इज बेस्ट.
This week, the industry bids adieu to legendary actor Pran, who was a villain beyond compare. कहते हैं उनका on-screen persona इतना खतरनाक था that for many years people did not name their sons Pran because it symbolized bad guy. Hooray Bollywood salutes Pran Sahib, who was not only a great actor but also a fantastic human being.
कोई किसी का नहीं ये झूठे नाते हैं नातों का क्या.
Now it's time for the new movie releases. Ramaiya Vastavaiya. After the success of Rowdy Rathore and Wanted, the talented director Prabhudeva is back again with the romantic film Ramaiya Vastavaiya. ये फिल्म है inspired by the 1980s famous movie मैंने प्यार किया. ये कहानी है राम की, played by Girish Kumar, a dashing young NRI, a millionaire son who falls in love with Sona, played by Shruti Hassan, who lives in Punjab and is a simple village girl. Movie का music है refreshing and vibrant and is being highly appreciated. This fresh romantic love story is a must watch. D-Day. ये action-packed crime thriller by Nikhil Advani is a story of an incredible mission that is assigned to the Indian Secret Service raw agents to capture the most wanted man in India hiding in Karachi. D-Day है कहानी of 4 individuals from different backgrounds sharing this common mission. The film explores their journey, their daring operation, and their dedication towards the cause. A gripping story, I would say go for it. Movies to watch out for are Isaak. Shakespeare के famous novel Romeo Juliet पर based Isaak revolves around 2 lovers of Varanasi who are madly in love, but their families are arch rivals. Bajate Raho. Dasvi Daniya's director Shashank Shah is back with a crazy comedy called Bajate Raho, an overdose of full-to entertainment in which Ravi Kishan commits a series of frauds to become a successful entrepreneur. Watch how his funny moves impact the lives of Suki, Ballu, Mintu and Manpreet. Now it's time for the top 3 songs of the week. Number 3 पर है Enne Unne from the movie Isaak. Number 2 पर है Angreza from the movie Baag Milkha Baag. Number 1 पर है जादू की जप्पी from Ramaiya Vastavaiya. After this hot roundup of movies and songs, now it's time for a short break. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or come visit us on our website. Now you can even write to me at amita@hooraybollywood.com. I'll be right back.
To be an actor, this is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000.
The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. We cover the community here and across the world. 40,000 copies each week. 2 editions, Wednesday and Saturday. 4 sections, community, automotive, Bollywood and real estate. Stay up to date with what's happening here and back home. Plug into opportunities and trends that can change your life. The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. Get your paper edition or read online at weeklyvoice.com.
Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
Kisan Desi Ghee and Vegetable Ghee. Kisan Tel. Kisan Food Colors. Kisan Besan. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
This is a very special segment because here we celebrate the glorious 100 years of Hindi cinema. हर वीक हम बात करते हैं एक स्पेशल थीम पर और आज की एक्साइटिंग थीम है बायोपिक्स। इसे याद आया, क्या आप जानते हैं सिकंदर ने पोरस से की थी लड़ाई, जो की थी लड़ाई तो मैं क्या करूं। अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट, जिसे हम सिकंदर के नाम से भी जानते हैं, एक ग्रीक किंग थे and he had set out to conquer the world. उनकी फेमस विक्ट्री थी in Persia and the Kabul Valley. In India, he got stiff resistance from King Porus, who was eventually defeated. This battle was presented by director Sohrab Modi in 1941 in his film Sikandar.
इस वक्त आपको हमारी हिम्मत की तारीफ करना चाहिए, जो हमें आपके दरबार में ले आई है।
Sikandar ka strong character was played by Prithvi Raj Kapoor. This Peshawari Pathan had his natural good looks and superb physique, which made him the perfect fit for the character. उस पर उन्होंने अपनी dialogue delivery और शानदार costume, which included heavy knee-length robe with a body, scabbard and headgear, को पहनकर सिकंदर के कैरेक्टर में जान डाल दी।
दुनिया में ऐसे आदमी भी हैं जो लड़ाई हारते हैं, हिम्मत नहीं हारते।
Bollywood की ये one of the earliest biopic movie थी, मशहूर for Y.D. Sarpoda's brilliant cinematography that recreated battle scenes, horse races and the ancient era of 326 BC. Sikandar recreated history on screen, and hooray Bollywood salutes such dedicated actors and movie makers. Did you know that Dr. Kudnis ki Amar Kahani, directed by V. Shantaram and released in 1946, was based on a true story? It was the story of an Indian physician, Dr. Dwarakanath Kudnis, who was sent to China in 1938 during the Second Sino-Japanese War as a part of the Indian medical mission team. They were there to provide medical assistance to the troops. He performed several surgeries on the battlefield and saved the lives of more than 800 soldiers. This brilliant biopic showcased the story of Dr. Kudnis' sacrifice and outstanding contribution towards humanity.
जिंदगी 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 कोई सपना नहीं जिंदगी।
V. Shantaram brilliantly portrayed the character of the great Dr. Kudnis, और जयश्री ने प्ले किया the role of Ching Lang, a Chinese girl who later married Dr. Kudnis.
यह है वो बहादुर जिसने सैकड़ों मरीजों की जानें बचाई।
Hailed for his selfless service, the great Dr. Kotnis was later called back to India to look after Indian troops who were injured during the Japanese attack. But unfortunately, before he could return with his wife and son, he died of an epilepsy seizure in China. He was buried there, magar unki Chinese wife made a homeward journey to present their son to Dr. Kotnis's mother. Kamal ki adakari, brilliant cinematography और melodious music with both Indo-Chinese tunes made this film a masterpiece. Dr. Kotnis ki Amar Kahani is one of the greatest biopics ever made in the history of Hindi cinema. Bollywood has given many marvelous movies जो है informative, inspiring or absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at some other memorable biopic films. Shaheed. A man with a dream to set India free of the British rule, the most influential inqilabi of the Indian independence movement, Shaheed Bhagat Singh is an inspiration. His freedom fighter ki zindagi ki dastaan is also captured in many Bollywood movies. But the most powerful amongst them was the 1965 film Shaheed, directed by Ram Sharma. Manoj Kumar played the character of Bhagat Singh, और उनकी बेहतरीन अदाकारी laid the foundation for his Mr. Bharat image, which he later consolidated in his other patriotic films.
सरकार के जुल्म ने इस देश के बच्चे बच्चों को इस बात से आगाह कर दिया है, धरती के लाल धरती बलिदान मांगती है.
There are many gooseflesh-inducing moments. The candle scene in which Bhagat Singh puts his hand on an open flame to prove his earnestness to Chandrasekhar Azad, as Mohammad Rafi sings, "Ae Watan, humko teri kasam," is just one of many.
"Ae Watan, humko teri kasam, teri raahon mein jaan tak luta jayenge."
Another memorable moment is the last scene where Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru, all dressed in black, sing "Mera Rang De Basanti Chola" and go for their final walk, even as the banner on the jail mockingly reads, "Live and let live." The scene is interspersed with beautiful moments of camaraderie and snatches of dialogues between them. As they walk, they sing, "Jab manao tum Azad Bharat ka din, us ghadi tum hame bhul jana nahi." Winner of 3 national awards, this masterpiece is one of the greatest biography narrated on celluloid. Godmother.
बड़ी मजा की खेड़ है ये राजनीति.
Santokh-Ben Jadeja, popularly known as Godmother, is probably the only lady who headed an underworld organization in India in the 1980s and 1990s. She best portrays how Rajniti can change your life. Till 1986, Godmother was a homemaker, magar with the murder of her husband by a rival gang, उनकी जिंदगी हमेशा के लिए बदल गई. To take revenge for her husband's death, Santokh-Ben plunged into the underworld and became a godmother. Film director Vinay Shukla ने Santokh-Ben की लाइफ से इंस्पायर होकर Godmother बनाई. A bold film जिसमें लीड रोल प्ले किया one of India's finest actors Shabana Azmi ने. उनकी जिंदगी के कई पहलुओं को बारीकी से दर्शाया गया है, from how she assumes leadership with good intentions और कैसे राजनीति की चालें बना देती है उन्हें the corrupt lady don of India. The music of this movie is very powerful and is composed by Vishal Bharadwaj. This biopic won many awards, including a prestigious national award in 1999. Sardari Begum. Sardari Begum, a struggling Thumri singer, tried to find a place in a world of fame. Passionate about singing, Sardari ne kiye kafi jatan to get noticed. She had been disowned by her family for learning music from a courtesan. Due to her passion for music, she ran away from home and ended up as a mistress of a Muslim patron played by Amrish Puri. She She went on to become a successful singer. She was later accidentally killed in a skirmish in her neighborhood. In the film, a reporter, Tehzeeb Abbasi, is sent to cover the funeral. Tehzeeb is shocked to see her father, Jabbar Abbasi, among the mourners, and to learn that Sardari Begum was his sister. Sham Benegal beautifully captured the complex and checkered life of Sardari Begum on screen. And Kiran Kher played the role of Sardari brilliantly. The music by Vanraj Bhatia was excellent and the film won 2 special jury national awards for acting.
मेरा बापू कहता था सपने मत देखो, लेकिन मैंने सपना देखा हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी बनने का सपना.
Guru is an inspiring story of a man who never gives up. The protagonist of the film, played by Abhishek Bachchan, is a perennial fighter जिन्होंने कभी हार नहीं मानी और no word कभी स्वीकार नहीं किया. So fixated is Guru about his dream that he marries Sujata, a village girl played by Aishwarya Rai, simply for the dowry that he could use to start his business.
अगर पैसा बन सकता था तो मैंने बनाया है, लेकिन सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, अपने 30 लाख शेयरहोल्डर के लिए भी.
Despite all barriers, he started his own company called Shakti Trading in a 350 square foot room with 1 telephone, 1 table and 3 chairs. 40 years on, Shakti Corporation बन जाती है इंडिया की पहली कंपनी to enter the Forbes Top 500 list. His mantra was think big, think ahead and think fast.
मेरी हिम्मत आम आदमी की हिम्मत है.
Film ke songs and music are extraordinary and it exemplifies A.R. Rahman's command of both the Eastern and Western styles of music. Guru is one of the best works of award-winning director Mani Ratnam. So these were my top biopic movies. I want to know which ones are yours. Chalo, thoda sa bol bachan ho jaye. I'm coming live on location to talk to you right after this short break. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of 2 important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
Kisan mixed spices, tandoori masala, garam masala, chai masala. Kisan pastes, tandoori paste, curry paste and many more. Kisan crispy fried onions. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
Welcome to another exciting segment of Bol Bachan. I'm here at the York Cinemas in Richmond Hill for the screening of Baag Milkha Baag, a biopic. Bollywood's talented directors have given us many biopics on screen based on inspirational characters in real life. Come, let's find out from the audience which is their favorite biopic from the last 100 years of Bollywood.
Which is your biopic favorite movie from Bollywood?
So far it's been Pan Singh Tomar because I've watched the whole movie. I came to see Bhag Milkha Bhag, but I love biopics, so I come, and so far it's an awesome movie.
What about biopics is good to the audience?
It's very motivational. It teaches you to do something. Like for instance, Bhag Milkha Bhag is about perseverance and how he doesn't give up, which all of us we can learn from that and put to it in our day-to-day lives.
It brings out, it can actually show role models to a lot of people. It can actually change lives for a lot of people, and it's also good for the younger generation because, as you know, they're the future.
There is no gloss, there's no glamour in the movie. They've literally shown what the person has gone through. Chak De India and Lagan, those movies, those are also similar to this, showing the national heroism, but it is literally raw, and I think they have taken the pain to really describe.
So, do you have any favorite movies based on inspirational characters?
Yeah, like there was one movie I seen, Dirty Picture, Silk Smith, just talking about rise and fall, like how she became from like just a makeup artist to like an actual superstar.
I liked one of the best movies so far, based on Sardar Patel's life, which was Sardar. That's one of the movies, and I will rank Bhagat Singh's all the movies above any other biopic movies.
Not any particular one?
I think the best one was by Manoj Kumar. They actually lived 6 months in the jail where Bhagat Singh was basically, imprisoned. So that genre of directors and actors, they used to really live those characters.
Mangal Pandey, that was really inspirational, and I really liked the way Amir Khan put across the story.
So do you think movies are good media to get this out to the masses?
Oh, definitely. Movies is the best media, in fact. And they do touch the masses. They do affect the thinking of the masses.
Biopics in India, I actually like Gandhi. It was a very old one, but it really, really helped me see how the founding nation of India actually lived and, the struggles and tribulations.
You have a history class in school versus watching this movie on screen. Which would you pick?
Or easily, I would just go to the movies.
Hooray, Bollywood! Wow, I just love the Bol Bachchan segment because I get to talk to a lot of Bollywood lovers. If you want to be on TV, come follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or our website and find out where I will be next week. Remember to also write to me at amita@hooraybollywood.com and stay tuned into your favorite Bollywood show, जहाँ पर है last 100 years से लेकर आज तक की spicy gupshup. Until then, enjoy life, keep dancing, and keep smiling.